are here now in Royal Palace and Riverside.
Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Real Life. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.
And Riverside. So you can see those booths with lights. That is a restaurant that's going around here in Riverside. It's a 1.5 hours tour to see the sunset and also the surrounding of Phnom Penh. You can see here the beauty of Phnom Penh. This is the view during Eid. The people around here are not just only locals but a lot of foreigners. Oh my! No. What they call that one? Pahat. Those are the street foods here. We call it pahat. Like hot dog, sausage. I think that one also expensive. Yan ang atin from one ng bikini.
So guys, now we're here in the boat. We tried to ride on this tour for the sunset tour. So maybe you cannot hear me properly because it's noisy around here.
Really enjoying here.
Let's go.
Look at that. That is a fairy here. And that is the Soka Hotel, which is very famous here. One of the five. We really enjoy, guys, our trip here. Actually, this is we didn't expect or we didn't plan this. We just passed by here and they said if we want to ride on a boat, it's only 5,000.